Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. In the previous video, we have solved some problems from this chapter, Arithmetic Progressions. Today we are going to continue that exercise. Today we are going to solve some more important problems. So let's get started. Friends, let us read the first question. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So, if we want to find out 31st term, we want to find 31st term. It means A31 is equal to how much? For this, we need to find first term and the common difference. But how we will find the first term and common difference? We have some information here. See, 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Okay, with the help of this, we will find out first term and the common difference. See, we have A11 is equal to 38. 11th term is 38. It means A11 is equal to 38. So, A11 can be written as A plus 10D, which is equal to 38. Okay. So, here, let us name it equation number 1. Now, one more thing we have A16 is equal to 73. It means A plus 15D is equal to 73. This is equation number 2. Now solve equation number 1 and 2. Here it is easy to find out A and D using elimination method. So here coefficient of A is equal and signs are also equal. So we should subtract here. Okay, subtracting equation 2 from equation number 1. Or you can write here equation number 1 minus equation number 2. We are going to do this. Equation number 1 minus equation number 2, or we can write it as subtracting equation number 2 from equation number 1. There are two ways to write. So here again I am writing these two equations. A plus 10D is equal to 38 and A plus 15D is equal to 73. Okay, now I am going to subtract. So I will change the sign here. Minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Plus a cancel. Plus 10D minus 15D is minus 5D. And 38 minus 73 is 35, minus 35. So it means what? D is equal to minus 35 by minus 5. Minus cancel and 5 sevens are 35. It means we got D is equal to 7. Now what is the value of A? So put the value of D in equation number 1. We can put it in equation number 2 also, your wish. So from equation number 1, now we are going to put value of D in equation number 1. So here A plus 10 into 7 is equal to 38. So A plus 70 is equal to 38. It means A is equal to 38 minus 70. So A is equal to how much? Minus 32. This is value of A. Now we have first term and the common difference. So now we can find any term. 31st term, 32nd term, 39th term. So we have to find out 31st term. So A31 is equal to A plus 30D. So it is equal to minus 32 plus 30 into 7. So it is equal to minus 32 plus 210. So here minus 32, 210 means how much? 210 minus 32. Subtract here 8, here 0. Then 10 minus 3 is 7. Here we will get 1, 178. So 178. So the 31st term is 178. Clear? I hope it is clear to all of you. Now let's move to the next question. So friends, let us read this question. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? It is very interesting and an important question. So how to solve it? Between 10 and 250. So we have to find out between 10 and 250 how many multiples of 4 lie. So here is 10 divisible by 4? Is 10 a multiple of 4? No. So what is the next multiple of 4? 12. Then what is next? 16. And so on. There are so many multiples of 4. It is very difficult to write here. So it is an AP clearly because common difference is 4 here. So it is an AP. But we have to find out how many numbers are there between 10 and 250. So here let us check 250 is divisible or not by 4. So 4 6s are 24. Remainder is 1. 4 2s are 8. Now remainder is 2. Here 2 is the remainder. It means 250 is not divisible by 4. Then before 250, which is divisible? So to find out that, we have to do this 250 minus this 2. Then we will get 248. So this number is divisible by 4. So the previous term of 250 is 248. 248. So now we have A is equal to 12, D is equal to 4 and AN, this is the nth term. Let 248 is the nth term. Then we have to find out what is n here. What is n here? It means which term is 248. Then we will be able to tell that how many terms are there in this AP. Okay. So now let us find out. AN is equal to 248. It means A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 248. What is A here? 12. 12 plus n minus 1 into 4 is equal to 248. Now 12 plus 4n minus 4, open the bracket, 248. Now 4n is equal to, here I will subtract first. 12 minus 4 is how much? 8 is equal to 248. Now 4n is equal to 248 minus 8. It means now 4n is equal to 240. It means n is equal to 240 by 4. Now cancel it. 60. N is equal to 60. It means what? There are 60 multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. So in this AP, how many terms are there? 60 terms are there. Clear? I hope you have understood it clearly. Now let's move to the next question. So friends, let us read the next question. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 and so on till 253. This is our AP. We have to find out the 20th term from the last term. So we have two methods to solve it. First I will explain you the easier method. So method number 1. Method number 1. So here we have to find out the 20th term from the last term. It means let us write it in reverse order. So what is the reverse order? Reverse order. The reverse order is 253 and ... 8 3. This is our AP in reverse order. So from here we can clearly see that we have first term 253 and we have the common difference. We can find out the common difference from here. 3 minus its previous term, it means 8. We will get minus 5. So here we have to find A20. A20 is how much? Okay, from beginning we will find out 20th term. So here A20 is equal to A plus 19D. It means what is A? 253 plus 19 into minus 5. So 253, 19 5s are 95, it means minus 95. Minus 95. So 253 minus 95 is how much? Okay, now let us subtract here. 253 minus 95. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Now 4. Now 14 minus 9 is 5. 158. It means we will get 158. So this is 20th term from the last. This is the 158 is the 20th term. 20th term from the last. From the last. So method 1 is completed. It is the easier method. Now let me erase it. So friends, now let us use the second method to solve it. Method number 2. So here let us write the given AP 3, 8, 13 and so on 253. It is our given AP. We have to find out the 20th term from the last. It means the term must have some position from first also. So to find out that position, we need to find out how many terms are there in this AP. So here in this AP, how many terms are there? In order to find out that, we need to find n. Okay. So here first term is 3. Common difference D is equal to 8 minus 3, which is 5. And we need to find out n. Let an is 253. Okay, then we will find out what is n here. How many terms are there in this AP? So here an is 253. So an formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 253. So here A is what? 3 plus n we don't know, we have to find it. D is what? 5 is equal to 253. Now 3 plus 5n minus 5 is equal to 253. Now 5n minus 2 is equal to 253. Now 5n is equal to 253 plus 2. So 5n is equal to 255. It means what? N is equal to 255 by 5. Now cancel it. 5 5s are 5 1s are. It means n is equal to 51. It means what? Now we know that how many terms are there in this AP. There are 51 terms. Total 51 terms are there. We have to find out the 20th term from the last. Okay. Now let us see how many terms are there. How many terms are there in left side. Okay. So here what are the remaining terms? Let us subtract. 51 minus 20, you will get 31. So now if you are thinking that from the beginning 31st term we have to find out, then you are doing the mistake. Okay. See, let me explain you here. See, from beginning 31 terms are there. From the last 20 terms are there. Then the total we will get 51. But we have to find out the 20th term from the last. From the last 20th term means what? Here from the last 20th term means 31st from the beginning, 31st after this term. It means 32nd term. From the last 20th term is equal to from the beginning 32nd term. Both are same. 20th term from the last is equal to 32nd term from the beginning. Okay, so we have to find out the 32nd term from the beginning. It means here we need to find out A32, which is equal to A plus 31 into D. Now put the values here. A is 3 plus 31 into D is 5. Now 3 plus 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So it means what? 3 plus 155 is 158. So this is the 31st term from the beginning. So this is the required term. So 20th term from the last is equal to 158. It is our answer. So the first method is the easier. Okay, so that is better. So both are you can use both methods in the exam, no problem, but that is better, that is easier also. Okay, now let us move to the next question. So friends, here we have next question. Let us read it. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? Okay, so here we have to find what is given and what we have to find. Subbarao started work in 1995. It means that is the first year at an annual salary of 5,000. Annual salary of 5,000. Okay, so here the first year he will get 5,000 rupees, isn't it? So this is the first term, and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. So it means what? This is the common difference. It means next year he will get 5,200. Okay, and so on. So here the question is, in which year did his income reach 7,000? Suppose 7,000 he will get somewhere. So which year he will get 7,000 rupees? This is the question. So here we have A is equal to rupees 5,000, D is equal to 200. So let us assume that AN is equal to nth term is 7,000. Then in which year he will get 7,000 means what is N? Okay, so here we have to find out what is N. So it's very simple. So AN is equal to 7,000. So what is AN formula? A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 7,000. Now what is A here? 5,000 plus N we don't know, N minus 1 into what is D? 200 is equal to 7,000. Now 5,000 plus, open the bracket, 200 N minus 200 is equal to 7,000. Now here 200 N is equal to 7,000 minus 5,000 plus 200. Now 200 N is equal to 7,000 minus 5,000 is 2,000 plus 200. It means the next step is 200 N is equal to 2,200. Now N is equal to 2,200 by 200. Now cancel two zeros. N is equal to 2 ones, 2 11s. N is equal to 11. It means 11th term is 7,000. 7,000 is the 11th term. It means in 11th year he will get 7,000 income. In which year, see in the question what is they asking, in which year did his income reach this? So what is the conclusion? In 11th year his income reach rupees 7,000. So in 11th year his income reached rupees 7,000. So this is the final answer. I hope you have understood it very clearly. So friends, I hope you have understood today's concepts very clearly. But still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And let me remind you friends, I have already created part 1 of this topic, arithmetic progression. If you missed that video, please go and check it out. For that, I will put the video link in the description box below. And if you like my video, please like and share. And don't forget to click the bell icon. And I will meet you in the next video with some important questions from arithmetic progression. So keep watching. Now I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.